This is Hallie Minnie with an educational review on the iPad. The iPad is an interactive tablet computer which uses a touchscreen feature to be operated. It is primarily used as an audio-video tool for web browsing, literature reading, music listening, and game playing. The iPad has a battery that will last approximately 10 hours. This is a nice feature because it allows the user freedom to use their iPad without being confined to electric outlets. It has a built-in touchscreen keyboard and has the ability to enlarge and minimize words and pictures on the screen. It can be used for education by allowing students to use multiple intelligence learning styles because it is a hands-on tool that allows students to access audio, video, literature, and games. Additionally, it aids in Bloom's taxonomy by promoting opportunities for creating, exploring, manipulating, and synthesizing. It can be useful for educational purposes such as reading books, running applications, organizing schedules, and accessing online courses. Some colleges recommend students to use an iPad and will rent them out too. This multimedia tool is beneficial to all students, but very useful to students with special disabilities due to the fact that it can enlarge print to a readable size, provide options for communication, and play audiobooks. Teachers say they use the iPad in their classroom for promoting conversation, practicing skill drills, saving on printing, and helping them stay organized on a daily basis. Teachers and students use iTunes U, which is available on the iPad and contains educational resources such as audio and video from educational institutes. Teachers can upload resources for their students, and students can access information and produce and share their own work on iTunes U. Most importantly, there are thousands of applications and books that can be accessed through the iTunes Store. Some educational applications and books are free, but others cost a fee. Just about every school topic is available to explore on the iPad. There are art, music, history, science, math, literature, and foreign language apps, just to name a few. Students can practice their skills in these subject areas in a fun, interactive way. Games are a great way for students to study. The Keynote app allows students to make and share presentations. Pages is a word processing app that allows students to write essays and create other Word documents. Numbers let students make spreadsheets and graphs. Additionally, a list of other educational applications and examples of how to use the iPad in the classroom can be found online at apple.com/education/iPad. The iPad is produced by Apple Inc. and runs only Apple applications. It can be purchased for as low as $499 and as high as $829. It just depends on the amount of storage and internet accessibility options. It can be bought through the Apple Store or at other stores where electronics are sold, such as Walmart and Best Buy. Thank you for listening to my educational podcast on the iPad.